Hi, Clara of Clara Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you the tools needed for the Gutta Serti or the silk painting process. So, I chose the Dynaflow dyes because they're not as toxic as they used to be when I first learned this technique. They're paints and they're also brilliant in color. And the water-based Gutta by Jacquard. Now this we go 1-to-1, so it's 1 part of the Gutta to 1 part water. Shake it well, and this is the bottle that you use to apply, for example. Now in this technique you have different sizes of stylus. Here you have the 9mm, which is a slightly wider point. This here is a group of 7mm for a finer point, a finer line. I work between the two. Now you have your sumi brushes. These are the brushes for this technique. They are Japanese made. They hold more dye. And I also use Textile synthetic brushes, which hold less dye, but I use these specifically for detail or overpainting work in my pieces. Of course, you will need your rulers for your design, your set square, your pencils, and I prefer the bright white paper because once I stretch my scarf on the frame, I can see through to the bottom. Here you have one of the designs that I'm working on in this video already stretched onto the frame. And these frames, I stretch it on to the back, tape it down with the masking tape. These frames are called artist stretchers, painter stretchers. And then I choose to use them because you can use any lengths you want for whatever size piece you have. Here you have a 12-inch square. They fit together just like so, easily. You do that and you stretch your silk on this and that's fine. You can also purchase a metal frame which can be adjusted to whatever size you want from. And I get all my tools, the majority of my tools, from Dharma Trading. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do send me any questions you may have. I'll be happy to answer them. I've been thinking of doing a paid online course, so please be sure to comment if you are interested. Also, check out my Instagram at Clara Designs Art.